Hey guys, Becki-licious here, and have I got a spicy side dish for you. Habanero garlic rice. Sounds as good as it looks. I hope you stick around to the end so I can show you how to make it. All right, the first step for this habanero garlic rice is we got to get a little bit of olive oil in our pan, and then we are going to toast up the white rice. Because you want it toasty. So we're just going to get this thrown in here, and we're going to let this toast up for, like I said, about 3 to 5 minutes or so, because we really wanted to get it toasty. All right, so we've got this rice toasted up a little bit. Now we are going to add in our diced onion. And I've got some minced garlic, so let's get that all in there. And then since I promised you a spicy side dish, this is the diced up habanero pepper. So there you go. So we're going to get this all mixed up and sauteed. All right, now we're going to add in some butter and then our seasoning, which is a little bit of salt and pepper and then some ground cumin. Just going to get all that in there. And then once this butter melts, then we're going to add in our chicken stock. All right, let's add in this chicken stock. It's going to steam up on me. There we go. All right, so we're going to get this brought to a boil, and then we're just going to cover it and then let it simmer for like 18 minutes. But while we're waiting for that, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends, and click on the link me for some other fun stuff. Right, our habanero garlic rice, it's come to a boil, so now we're going to cover it, and we're going to lower the heat on it, and we're going to let this simmer for about 15-20 minutes, okay? Catch you back here in a bit. All right, habanero garlic rice is all done, so I'm going to turn this heat off and take this off. Looky there. All right, it's time to plate up and have some dinner. Right, dinner is served. I've got some drumsticks on the side with this yummy habanero garlic rice. Doesn't this all just look super, super yummy? Now comes the test. We got to see how good it is. It is really good. And the beauty of this is you can add more or less of the habanero to make it however you like it. For me, this is just perfect. Somebody else in my house probably would have wanted me to add a little bit more habanero, but I digress. So there you go. We had another fun adventure in the kitchen today. I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves, because I know I did. And I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye. If you enjoyed this video, click on this one.